There we go. All right, so we gotta do 30 minutes here cleaning the bedroom. There we go. All right, we got 30 minutes. Let's go. It is very cold in here. My dad has it down to a science to keep the house cold all year round. The problem is that during the fall, his technique makes it like basically a fridge everywhere you go in the house. So it's like I have to wear, I gotta wear this fuzzy jacket. I gotta do all this other stuff, and it's like, okay. But like, here's my funny story that I was telling. Last night, I was getting ready for bed, and I remembered that at convention there was some people giving out samples. They were doing like samples of castor oil and stuff, and they were giving out castor oil patches to everyone so they could try that out for themselves. And I just put mine in my suitcase, completely forgot that I had it until I started unpacking. And then I was like, oh, wait, I have a castor oil patch. I got to try it out and see what all the fuss is about, you know? So last night, I'm doing what they said to do. This needs to go down the basement. Anyway, I was doing what they said to do. And I'm trying to get like essential oils into the belly button. That's what they said to do. They specifically said to do Revitazen and castor oil in the belly button, and then you put the castor oil patch on top of it, and then you just wear that overnight. I was like, oh, that's simple. I can do that. I could so do that. That's easy. So I'm going through trying to get Revitazen into my belly button. So I'm like holding my stomach up and like touching a bit. So like my belly button is more like a bowl instead of a tunnel. The tunnel, you know? So I'm like get a position like that. And I'm like holding the Revitazen over it very carefully. It's a whole science. And out of nowhere, my brain just goes, let's dance. So next thing I know, I'm standing there in the bathroom with the Revitazen hovering over my belly button going, rah, rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. And then I started laughing so hard that I couldn't see what I was doing. So when I finally finished putting the Revitazen and the castor oil on my belly button and I got the patch, there's like this whole stream of oil just like up and down my belly. And I just started laughing even harder as I'm trying to just rub it around. Spread the love a bit. It was great. It was a great moment. All right. Hello, everybody. And hello to Otis, my feathery husky, who will no doubt make his presence known to us during the filming of this. All right, so we finished cleaning. I didn't do full 30 minutes. I had like 5 minutes left, and I was like, you know what? I got what I want done that I wanted. We're good. And I'm dehydrated, so I'm like, I'm gonna take a recharge break. The flavor of the day is lemon lime. And Otis is watching me like I'm crazy, which I probably am. I love these recharges. You just shake the packet, dump the stuff in there, and then boom. Yeah, not even the Gatorade mix is that simple. You really have to go through the process of mixing it. Yeah, we are going to be taking a recharge break. Get ourselves hydrated. Hi. And then we will get to doing our 30 minutes of just dance and get some exercise in. Yep. And then we'll have lunch.